So first thing is my testosterone, which we just switched up, which this is phenomenal. It's testosterone cypionate with a D3 blend. So for every 200 milligrams, you get 10,000 IUs of vitamin D, and it being injected, you're obviously going to absorb all of that. And majority of everybody has some sort of vitamin D deficiency. So this is great that we can offer this. I got my Ganadorelin, which I'm loving. Of course, keeps your natural test level up and fertility. We got my anastrozole for my anti-estrogen. Of course, if you're on a testosterone therapy, as your testosterone goes up, that's why lab work is so important. Got to make sure you're keeping everything where it needs to be and optimal. I don't take much. I love. So this is called DSIP. So this is the Delta Sleep Inducing Peptide. And I'll tell you the benefits of this, better sleep, more energy, it enhances your mood. Also works with chronic pain reduction, your LH and GH hormones. Basically puts you in the REM sleep, so you recover quicker, you get more energy because you're actually sleeping the way you should be, and you sleep faster. It's been proven. I mean, I take a shot and within 30, 45 minutes, I can't even get my eyes open. This is another peptide, glutathione. So this is something that I recommend everyone be on year round. This stuff it's incredible. I mean, the benefits from this it's like endless. Increases your energy, you slow down the aging process, reduce muscle and joint discomfort. Your immune system, I mean, it strengthens your immune system, detoxifies your livers and cells. This will also help you with improved sleep, your skin quality, helps with your stress, athletic performance and recovery. I mean, it goes on and on with the benefits of this. And so we sell this $150 a bottle. I take one shot a week. This is a 30-week supply. So it's really cost effective for the benefits you get. Now, if you see glutathione in capsules and all that stuff, it doesn't work. I'll tell you right now. It breaks down in the body, it doesn't come through as glutathione. The only way to do it is inject it, and this stuff's incredible. So that's my protocol. If you guys have any questions, you can hit the link in the bio, and we'll help you out with anything. So thank you.